Well, hey guys, I finally got the exhaust system for the Triumph GT6 project, and it's a Bell's exhaust system, which I think are really well made exhausts. So let's get it fitted to the car. Okay, that's most of the exhaust system in place. Now I've just got to find a way of mounting the silencer to the rear of the car, and the problem I've got is the boot floor pan is so rotten I can actually get my hand up here into the car. So it's a bit of a worry on where I'm actually going to mount this silencer to the rear of the car, because it's meant to hang on the boot floor pan section. So what I've got to do is somehow join a bit of metal up to this rotten panel as a temporary measure to somehow secure the rear silencer, so at least we can start the car up. So I'm really pleased with how this exhaust system has turned out. I know at the back box it's a bit of a bodge, but it's good enough to get the car going for now. I know at some point Danny will get this car restored by a bodywork specialist, and then it can come back to me and we can start kitting it out and actually getting the car running right. To anybody fast forwarding the video, I'm really sorry, I'm not actually going to start up the car just yet, and that's because I want Danny up here to actually see his car running for the first time in 30 or 40 years. So for now guys, like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.